Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video and show you the insides of T-Split, show you exactly how easy it is to create campaigns with T-Split. Add your campaigns from Teespring and then of course create your showcase pages. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to want to do is log into Teespring, and then from your admin panel just grab a shirt, right click on the shirt you want to add and copy the link address. We'll copy the link address here. And you can see it's Star Shirts, and then we'll give it a name, Star Shirts, and save the changes. When we do that, you'll see that Star Shirts just showed up here as a Teespring campaign. That's how easy it is to add these in. So I'm going to do the same thing here to add the second shirt, Shirt Luke. And then you can see this one right here. The next thing you're going to want to do is create your split test. We'll call this one Star Shirts and name the slug the same thing. This one will leave the WordPress header in, and then we need to add a header to our page. And we can either just type something in here or we can add media. In this case, I'll just go ahead and add this. Select your design, insert that into our post. For this one, I'll go ahead and leave the footer blank. Next thing we do is we select the shirts that we want to add to that showcase page. I'll select this one, and I'll select this one, and save the changes. It takes a few minutes, a few seconds, and then it'll go through, it'll save those. Now you can view your page. As you see, it's got the shirts on there, but no additional information. If you were to click through here, open like a new tab, it would take you right to there. If you would left click, that'd be fine too. So let's go ahead and edit some details about the shirts. So if we want to edit those individually, from here we just, for Star Shirts, we just add content. And we can add content above, and then we can add a button. Now there are two ways to add a button. I'll show you both ways here. Click here to buy. And when you select this and then add a background to this, it is going to create a button. And of course you can adjust it using any of the HTML settings you have here. And we'll save this. Once it's saved, it changes to edit content, and then for the shirt Luke, we'll do this. I'll just content above. In this case, we will add a button. Now this is just for demo purposes, so to show you exactly how fast you can do this and set it up, you'll probably want to spend a little bit more time working on it and thinking it out, but you can, as you can see, you can do this pretty quickly. Now when we save the changes, it stores the information off, and from that point you can actually click here to view the page. And you notice that it put it in our blog as Star Shirts as a selection. So these are some of the other things I've collected. So you've got content above, and you'll see that this is your click here to buy button like we did in the first case, and this is an actual button that we added. So that's how quickly it is to add your showcase pages. Now if you didn't want the WordPress header information to appear, we can just go back here and select exclude the WordPress header and save changes. Now when we view the page, you can see that all the WordPress information is gone, and your shirts line up. When somebody selects a shirt that they're interested in, instantly takes them to your Teespring campaign where they can go ahead and finish their purchase. And that's how simple it is to add. Now, one last thing people are always interested in is the stats. So here you can see when we view the stats, it'll go ahead and load all the stats for your campaigns. Again, this can take a few seconds, and it actually depends on how many live campaigns that you're running. And if you don't see your shirt list there, you just previous next to find them. Here you can see we've had, 4 visits to the page, 1 click for a click-through rate of 25%. If there had been any sales, that additional information would show up there. So that's a quick 5-minute video on the inside. I went ahead and added the campaigns from Teesprings. I edited the shirts and the showcase page and viewed the stats for you, all within 5 minutes. That's how simple T-Split is to use. We'll probably be releasing it this week, so stay tuned and get your copy. Get your early bird copy. We'll talk to you later, and we'll see you on the inside.